Amazing day for Tesla, up 3.5%. The daily BX flipped green, which is a buy signal for us. You can see our BX trading bot actually went long. And as soon as the market closed, we get a sell-off of about 1.5% because we come to find out that the Delaware judge once again declines to restore Elon Musk's $56 billion Tesla pay package. And on top of that, Tesla also has to pay $345 million in fees to the plaintiff's attorneys. Now, this is obviously BS. We know why they're doing this. And on top of this, shareholders already voted once again to reinstate this. So now twice we have seen this happen. And as you guys know, we did expect this to be a possibility. We knew that even though shareholders had voted on it a couple of months ago, and that initially Tesla bounced off of that news, that the Delaware judge could once again go ahead and reject, which is exactly what happened. Now, as far as Tesla's price action, we're seeing an initial sell-off based off of this news. But in my opinion, none of this does anything to the company long term. Elon's not going to leave. If anything, it is just more fuel to the fire. And if there's anything that we know, you don't fuck with Elon Musk. After seeing what he even did in the past election, when you cross the guy, it's normally not a good sign. When he wants to do something and he's got that extra chip on his shoulder, it doesn't make it any better for you. So we'll see what ends up happening there, but it's not something that I'm too worried about. Now, zooming back out to Tesla's price action, you're going to see here on the monthly chart that we are still very, very bullish on Tesla. You guys know, and for anybody who is new, that basically we became very bullish on Tesla back in May and early June. The reason for this is up until that point, price was just compressing between this resistance and this support level. But back in May, we ended up seeing the BX, which is this indicator at the bottom of your screen that shows buy-sell pressure, flip from red to green. This is a massive indication that buyers are stepping in, and there's a very high chance that price is going to break out. And so you can see that from that point, price is now up from $195 all the way up about 81% within about 2.5 months. If we go in a little bit closer to the weekly chart, you're going to notice that price is also showing higher highs on the BX trender, and the BX is still green. And if we zoom in even closer in time to the daily chart, you're going to see that price is still showing bullish momentum, and currently the trend is still bullish. Now, the way that we dictate the trend is through this indicator here called the market bias. The market bias and the BX trender are really the only two indicators that I use, and they're completely free on TradingView. We also have free courses going over both of them and exactly what I look for when it comes to my entries and exits with these indicators. You're going to notice that as of recent, price has been making higher lows each and every single time. You can see that if we took a horizontal draw tool, we have a low here, we have another low here, and then another low here at 332. And so when we're making higher lows, that is a sign that structure on top of the trend is also bullish. Now, on top of that, we have a liquidity zone or a resistance level at 360. Price has rejected here 1, 2, 3, and now a 4th time. If you don't know, the more times that a liquidity zone is tested, the higher of a chance that that liquidity area or that liquidity zone is going to get swept. We saw the same type of thing happen to Meta on a weekly chart a couple of months ago. At this point, I'm expecting price to pull back down to maybe $346 and $340 worst comes to worst before coming back up to test 360, break out to $380 and $400. What I'm going to look to do is to continue to hold my 2027 calls, which is what I've been doing. And then if price pulls back to $345 or $340, I will look to sell some cash secured puts and then acquire some shares there to play the next short-term breakout back up to $370 and $380. Thank you guys always for all of your support. If you want to get access to all of our indicators and our trading strategy, all of our courses are completely free. And if you do want to join our private Discord Academy to get access to all of my real-time trading alerts, private Discord community, trading bots, and much more, this is the last day of our big sales, which is our Cyber Monday. So if you want to join for your first month for 70% off, you can use the code MARKET30. And if you want to join the yearly, that coupon code is going to be Tesla24, where you can join for $599 per year, or about $50 per month versus the normal $100 monthly fee. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all of your support. This year has been amazing, and I'm excited to close this out strong and have an even better 2025.